Hello everyone and welcome. A few weeks back, I mentioned in another video that I would be looking into getting some solar-powered landscaping lights for my yard. I looked at the big box stores and most of the lights they carried looked cheap, poor quality, and rather expensive. Then I came across these lights on Amazon and I got them for a fantastic price, so I decided to share them with you guys. These lights are not only well-built, good quality landscaping lights, but they're also very colorful and great for holiday lighting. That's why I got these to enjoy during holidays like Halloween, Christmas, and other holidays. So let's unbox these bad boys and see what I got. But before I do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews, plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. There's a shot of the box for you. Very plain Jane Brown box. But let's open it up and see what we have inside. Alright, so when you open the box, this is what you get. These are the Labinsangwa RGB Solar Pathway Lights, available on Amazon, link in description below. At the making of this video, this light retails for $49.99 for the 6-pack. But there is a fantastic promo code that I found that I put down in the description of this video. You can get up to 70% off. That makes these a fantastic bargain compared to other lights out there. Now these lights come with a 1-year warranty. You get all 6 lights, and basically it comes in 3 pieces. You get the head part, you get the middle shaft, and the bottom part right there. They come disassembled. All you do is put them together. It's very easy. No tools required. You just snap them together like that. The pieces come undone, snap it together, and that's it. Your light is fully assembled. It does bring an instruction manual in case you need it, but just 3 pieces, pop them together, you're good to go. The lights are fully assembled. And like I said, you get 6 lights in the package, and they're basically 12 inches in height and 3 inches in width. As far as the height goes, you can see that the spike down here is pretty far. Depends on how far you want to have them. If you want them closer to the ground or further up, you can adjust how far you stick it into the ground, and that will affect how high they stand up or how close to the ground they are. Your choice, fully adjustable based on your conditions and your preferences. Now, these lights are solar powered, so there are no tools required, no wiring, no fuss, no muss. They're powered by one AA battery up here in the top part, and it is a rechargeable AA battery, and it is replaceable also. Just have a couple of little screws up here. You can undo the screws, open up the top, replace the battery whenever it goes bad. Like I said, this does have a 1-year warranty, so for 1 full year, you're taken care of. Contact the manufacturer, should not be any problem whatsoever. But as we know, the LEDs should last practically forever, but batteries do go bad over a multitude of years, so you can always replace the battery if you want to. Now, these lights are IP65 water and dust proof, so you can put them outside. They are for landscaping. Put them anywhere you want. They can get wet, dusty, dirty, hose them off. You're good to go. Should not be a problem at all. And they are auto on off. So basically they turn off at dawn and they turn back on at night. So they run all night long, they turn off during the day in the morning, and they charge up throughout the day, free solar energy, and they turn back on at night. And they are RGB. Unlike most of the other lights out there that are just plain one color, mostly white, these lights are colorful. They're rotating. They rotate the colors. You don't have to do anything about it. They rotate throughout the colors of the spectrum. So if you really want to brighten up your yard and have a very colorful yard, these are the lights to look into instead of the boring old white ones. Those are just boring. So these are great for walkways, pathways, accents around planters, accents around fountains, around walls, etc. Great for holiday lighting or any time, like I said, that you just want to brighten up your yard. If you want to have a colorful yard, these are the lights to look into. So let me set these up here. I'm going to show you how they look right now in the shop here in the dark as far as the colors that they have. Then I'm going to charge them up all day long and show you outside exactly how they look. Alright guys, there you have it. I set up the lights in the darkened garage here so you can see what they look like. And look at how colorful and beautiful these lights really are. And they are working on the residual energy that they have from shipping. I have not even charged them up yet. And you can see how they rotate color and they're changing all the time. This will really add a lot of color, a lot of spice, and a lot of class to any outdoor lighting situation. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Look at the pattern. Let me get further back and you can see that. Look at the pattern that they create. And I just have them all close together. If you put them further apart, they put a beautiful pattern all around. That is really, really quite special. That is really quite stunning right there. And they just keep rotating colors forever. As long as they're on, they'll keep changing colors, and you can see them all night long and really spice up your property. And since they don't match each other, they all rotate in different color schemes. You're always going to have a different mix of colors. It's not one boring color all the time. They're constantly changing all of them in different directions. It's a total rainbow all the time. Alright guys, so here I set them up for you, right so you can see what it looks like when you have them next to a walkway. This is my cement path right here, and I set them up there for you so you can see what they look like right up against the grass and right up against the walkway. And we're going to come back at night and see what they look like lit up, and that way you can see the contrast of how the light performs on a cement slab and on the grass that's behind it. It should create a fairly nice pattern. So I'm going to let these charge up throughout the day, and then later on we'll see what kind of lighting they produce. So let's come back at night and see how they look. And here we are at night, and you can see the lights really light up very nicely, and they put out a beautiful pattern. And as you can see, we're going to take a look and see how the light rotates with the different colors and how they change. But that's really, really a nice color right there and a nice pattern, and they're really very bright. I mean, considering this is a simple little LED light, I mean, look at how bright they really are. I'm showing you everything. There's no lighting back here. This is all the lighting in this backyard right now. And they are lighting it up beautifully. I mean, you can literally just walk down this path and not trip or fall because they give you decent amount of lighting. And it's very festive, very colorful. I'm going to just let it rotate here for a little while so you can see how the color changes and you can see the different effects that it creates. But I love this little spiral kind of pattern that it puts on the slab right there and also on the grass behind it. I'm obviously not too close because I'm trying to give you a wide shot so you can see the whole thing, but you can see how the colors just fade in and out from one to the other, and everything just rotates and changes all around. So this is a great set of lights really for holidays or anytime you want a splash of color anywhere on your property. So I think they're really fantastic. Alright guys, there you have it. If you want some good quality, colorful solar pathway lights for your yard or wherever you want to use them, these lights are a fantastic deal. They seem to be very good quality and they look beautiful whether on or off. Get them at a great discount right now using the promo code that I put in the description down below. And use them for holidays or anytime you want to add a splash of color to your landscaping. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.